better watch out, you better be wary. Christmas Eve could be scary. Zombie Claus is coming to town. He's keeping a list of what you do. If you've been naughty, that's it for you. Zombie Claus is coming to town. He'll seize you when you're sleeping or when you're wide awake. No matter, you can't hide from him. In the end, there's no escape. So you better watch out, you better be wary. Christmas Eve could be scary. Zombie Claus is coming to town. Forget the milk and cookies, sweet stuff to him's a bore. A little taste of some naughty bratwurst is what he's got a craving for. So you mean little girls and bad little boys, you'll get what's coming to you, not toys, but Zombie Claus when he gets to town. You better watch out, you better be wary. Christmas Eve could be scary. Zombie Claus is coming to town. If you've been naughty, here's what you might have to do to survive a Christmas Eve encounter with Zombie Claus. They say you can't satisfy somebody who doesn't know what they want. Zombie Claus knows what he wants, and he only craves two things: naughty bratwurst, and he loves to dance. Satisfying either one of them works for him. In fact, they say to dance is really his favorite thing to do. So your only chance might be to dance your way out of this by challenging Zombie Claus to a dance-off. It's the dance of your life. A reindeer wrangler doppelganger monster mash. He loves the monster mash. It's such a graveyard smash.